I'm there.
Yeah, welcome, Mama. Yeah, you can unmute your video also. Yeah, that's it. Very good evening, everybody. Yeah, Kedaresh, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Fine, fine. How is Rajvamshi?
He's also fine, sir.
Yeah. The other day when he was in the room, I was discussing about you both and your batch, your achievements, everything. So
Yeah.
fine, it's very
Yes.
good to see you back after a long time. You both were very active. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think you remember last week there was an alumni named Rajvamshi, and now she also Kedarishwari. She also belongs to the same batch. In fact, now she has become the better half of Rajvamshi. Both were in the same batch. But apart from, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Kedarishwari today. She belongs to batch 2011, 13. She was also very active in the batch. I think you got to know about the profile of her in the invitation itself. And she contributed a lot after she left the college also. She was placed in a very good company. And 2 years ago, she was here to train some of your seniors actually regarding interviews and interview techniques. Good to see you, Kedarishwari. Welcome, welcome to CMR Technical Campus once again through virtual uh, room, otherwise in social media. Kedarishwari, with you today in the room, we have the present batch of 2019 21 and some of the faculty also.
Okay.
So please let us know. Please bring out all your experiences with the college when you were as a student in the college and after MBA. How really you have learned the things as a part of your academics or the part of your training placements, everything in the college. So please share us today the entire episode of CMR, before CMR and after CMR, and what best advice you want to give to this present batch today. So welcome, Keradishwari. I hand over the session to you. Ladies and gentlemen, please mute your audios, and after she talks a little while, and when she opens the room for the queries, I request everybody to come in with the queries. So over to you, Keradishwari. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. And myself, Kedar Ishwari, and I'm, as Harish sir said, I'm into, I was 11 to 13 batch from CMR Technical Campus. And actually, I'm not from this, I'm completely from the, I'm from Andhra. So, how I got the seat in CMR and what was my journey actually, I'll tell everything. I got a counseling seat only. So through ISET, I got the rank, and yeah, I attended exam in AP only. So later, based on the rank and everything, my parents used to like, don't go for counseling seat, and they were like, go for business school so we can afford. That kind of support I have. So I was not that much like, I don't want to waste money on, because wherever you study, that based upon you only. So I don't want to encourage those kind of things. So what I did, I attended counseling here in the Masap Tank, they conducted. And how I selected this college means, I selected few colleges which are actually have the punctuality and the timings, and main thing, uniform, everything. So I opted like that. Even my sisters, friends, everyone suggested me that Mallareddy, CMA colleges, a few colleges, whatever the list is there. For women's also we have separate campus. So like that they have mentioned. So I opted everything. Like that I got seat in CMA. After I came there, and I was like afraid, because I didn't even stay long. I usually go NCC camps and all. Uh, um, you know that NCC camps are almost like only a short period of time. We used to go for camps and all for 10 days like that. So after 1 month, I was like missing my home and parents, everything, and new place, new people will come to you. And here, one best thing is like in college, we don't have a ragging also. The seniors, they are like very friendly, and they used to suggest if we have any doubts, they used to uh, clear those things, and they were like friends only. And even we have an official farewell, this precious party also outside. For that also we have we got punishment from Harish Reddy sir. So many things happened, and I'm like very much studious. I'm not that much encouraged for the class bunk college, but still I have a batch like they used to uh, uh, whenever we came late, outside of the gate we have to wait, and later once everything, I mean first period something, 2 periods over, till if you want to enter into college, we have to wait, first we have to wait for 45 minutes or 1 hour, because we have that kind of punishment we used to get. And AO sir, he used to stand there only, and if, asking us why you are coming late. Like daily, they I mean every day he used to, I mean asking uh, why you are coming late, and they used to check your uniform and the dressing sense, everything. Uh, and even Harish Reddy sir, he used to follow up like anything, and yeah, he was like very much bother, and very much yeah, like make you to make sure that you are attending every class, because in the class only you can get the full complete knowledge. uh, so that's the reason he used to tell us to not to bunk the classes, and he used to call. Even if you bunk also, he'll not leave the day. The same day he used to call, uh, where are you, come now only. Even now also you can come, from afternoon also you have to come to the college. Like that kind of things happen. And even in first semester, I think after examination, morning we have exams, and from the afternoon, whoever is coming on the used to go to home. Like whoever is coming by bus, they have to wait, because evening only, from evening only we have buses right from the main campus. So that's the reason whoever is coming from the coming by bus, they used to uh, study in the college only afternoon. So we have lectures like they used to support for exam preparations and all. And classes like subject everything, coming to subject part in CMR college, how it was like every lecturer has their own way of specialized thing of this thing. Like Harish Reddy sir used to give classes using projector, so so that you cannot forget that picture by seeing that projector and all. He used to present the subject everything. He used to give the best example for the case studies. He used to, I mean, he deal with business law, so in that for that he used to give number of case studies to remember that. And we have Sunil sir for marketing subject. He was like giving a best examples. I was like using my running notes. So whenever they give the example, I used to draw that picture. So whatever the imagination comes in my mind, I used to draw that, so that next time. only I used to refer the running notes only when I'm going to exams. So that kind of easy way of methods um, they give us. Spooty ma'am, even she's also so, I mean, so friendly. Whenever actually every class is waiting to her because she's like, I know. So Spooty ma'am used to give a friendly kind of thing. She used to be like friendly. So we were like mm, so interesting and never feel bored about the classes and all. Even though only few times people used to bunk for their, for the other, things. And one time we bunked, no, so that time we went to movie. We have a CP, right? So there we went Agnipath movie. So later next day we are back to college normally, and uh, other than that, next time there is no bunk. We didn't bunk like that, mass bunk. So and coming to our timings, uh, placements, and like uniform. Uniform also, like best part of it, because when you wear a uniform, you will be like punctual enough. The way of sitting will change. When you wear like your casual dresses, you will not get that kind of um, what you call that much interest, because that's the reason, as we are a management related people, so we have to wear the dress, and we have to uh, uh, follow those rules, because in corporate culture, how once you learn all these from the college, it's like it's not difficult to you to adopt in the corporate culture, I can say. So of in apart from that, and subject examinations will be like that. So every test will be conducted, and we were like not too much I mean, in my team, like we have a four groups like that. So in the weekend times, like Sunday or Saturday, when we don't have
Hey,
any
Nikita,
exam,
ఇప్పుడే
so
వద్దు
that
మాకు.
day we have a holiday, no. So that day we have to we were like if we want to study at a place, group of people, so we decided to go to college in the cafeteria. So there we have a tables, right? So big tables. So we were like group of people, four groups in on the table. We used to keep books and all. We used to sit on that, and once we done with the study, I mean, whoever is main people is there, so they were giving easy methods to make other ones study. So boys used to do how they will do, they used to keep slips like that. So we are not supported that. So all the time we were very much into it, and whatever we learn, we want to share everything to my friends, so that they can easily pass the exams. So that kind of a group we have. Everyone like around 40 or 50 members, we used to come to the college, sit there, we get the boxes there only. In the cafeteria we used to study. If you want to chill out, then once we done with the revisions and all, explaining them how you have to present this, how you have to present. These are the main questions. Like that, everything done. We used to come out and we have to discuss, because no other place we didn't found, because the college where we can that much comfortness we got from CMA. So and next thing, exams also. In the exam, whenever we have a centers, so we used to check before day only, so that you can't miss that, or there is no chance of running time. So before day only we used to check center, and that day we used to plan something. If we didn't study anything, we will not uh, go anywhere. We go. We were like dispersed to our places. So, and when we have exams on the same day, if we have exams at 10 o'clock, we used to go there before 2 or 3 hours before. So, uh, uh, me and Rajvamshi and yeah, do like that only, and even other friends also used to come, and we used to study there in that center only, the ground, what we call ground in the court, and there only we used to study because even when you start someone like some, I mean few people will think that we 1 hour before shouldn't study because you'll forgot everything, so that kind of things also there. But we used to study there till bell last bell rings. So that is how we studied everything. We didn't even skip like I mean Chalta. We can pass with minimum marks. No, we all used to start. I mean, how the friends was like not always enjoyment. Even we also very much how we call, very much what we call, so very much into the studies thing. And next thing, placements, these people I usually I didn't even, I mean, into placement this planning, Rajvamshi, the other people who are very much Balu, Azmat, Unisa, Humera, these people used to go to the college for the placements because they are very much interested in the HR. So they want to they were like always volunteer something, uh, and they were always into programs, events, and all. So, and they were sharing their things, like how they are getting inputs for related to how the interview related, whatever they have faced, everything they used to share with friends. So like that, day by day I used to uh, mm, learn from them. And main thing is like we used to get, we used to have in our main campus, we have a college day, no college, it's not college day, like college, all colleges used to come there, and they used to present their like what do you call, one presentation is there. So from my team, Rajvamshi, Jogi, and these people have given an advertisement. So the small advertisement, there is a prize for that. So like that, the other colleges came, and the different competitions were there. So for this competition, these people got the prize also. And later also, few fun activities was conducted in our college, like treasure hunt. We were like I mean including every part, like ground, bus, everything. So treasure hunt like treasure hunt, it's like they're keeping slips everywhere. So we have to find out that, and in that they give some clue. So the last thing is something they mentioned, we didn't get that. So few people got that is the bus number, because that guy used to go with that same route. That is the bus route number. So they have checked in that bus, they got the prize. So like that, even fun activities also there in our college. And apart from that, everything I covered, events, everything, competitions, make sure the lecturers and the management, HOD, everyone, they make sure that everyone were involved in each and every event, whether it was like unofficial, like dance, something you have to give your thing. So that's kind of encouragement we used to get. And coming to selection of this thing, or specialization. So in third semester, we have like two options you have. So I have selected finance and HR in third semester. And the final semester, I was like, I really don't know how the HR and what kind of things that going to be covered in that. So because I don't know that subject, so I want to know that. So that's the reason I have opted, and even I have done my project in that. Um in HR only, live project. Even for that also, Rajvamshi helped me and Hasmatu Niza. So these people were like, I mean, he was like, no, we are not supposed to buy marketing, because that is that that is like only the copy and paste whatever in available in the Wikipedia, something else, wherever you search for that subject, so you can easily form different kind of paragraphs. So only those content only you will have in the um, project which you bought from the market. So that is really waste of money, even without spending without spending anything. Only you have to spend on your I mean, going and coming on your travel. But that most useful thing is, better you is everyone offer a live project, because that gives you and make you learn how the job culture and the adoption, how they handling. And you started adopting with the when you do the live project. Because uh, my thing, like, I'm very much afraid how it would be everything in the books. If for example, finance is there, so in that we have so many in that finance, we have like rules, main rules, three rules. So like that, what we will think, so everything in the books, we after going to office also, with what we will, you people will think at this stage, whatever in our books we learn, right? So again, even after going to office also, when once we placed in a company, so in the company also we have to do, I mean, we have to do this the same thing there only, there. So you will think, you might think that trial balance, like that, the P&Ls, everything is their manual work. So I can say the manual work always will be there in the domestic companies, because they used to follow the both things. I mean, maintaining the uploading using SAP or a Tally or something. They used to maintain that so soft copy along with the hard. So they used to maintain these entries in the books. They want to make the entries in the, I mean, daily petty expenses will be there. So you used to maintain those records. So coming to, if you see like that, so my point is like, when you were in the college, try to always first start your step from doing a live project. Then you'll you were like very much confident enough to accept the working culture. So that might be very easy, I can say. Because in when you go through the live project, they obviously treat you as an employee only. They'll give you and work and do this thing, that thing, and they'll give you suggestions. And so many advantages will be there, I can say. Don't buy outside. And I can encourage that project work. And after project work, when you have a placements in the college, I can tell you one thing, guys. once you come out, that is the CMR where they are providing us a big market. They are only calling companies to place their students in a big positions or big I mean they want to place you guys in a better position. So make sure, irrespective of your project, irrespective of your specialization, I can say, if you are into HR, don't think that you are supposed to do HR project and you have to supposed to do you're supposed to get only HR job. No, it will not be like that. I have done my HR project and I have taken HR specialization, and I'm working for a finance company and as a finance analyst. So that because I'm very much interested into finance, that's the reason I'm working in finance. So base don't compare you with anyone. This guy is doing this project because of selection of this specialization or this subject. In the future, the market for this subject is more. The market for subject which you have selected for that is less. No, there is nothing like that. I can say everywhere for everything equal part is there. So never ever, I mean, don't degrade yourself or don't compare you with I mean less thing like he got the job and he has placed with nice package. So until I have got that package, until I have got that place, I mean got placed into that company, I'll keep on trying, not doing anything, sitting idle. No, that will not work. I can say whatever you got the opportunity, once you got the opportunity, that is the main thing, that is the best thing. And so grab that opportunity and you utilize it, and you will be like very much uh, once you get into it, then you know how what it is, and later on you can think about it. I mean where once you enter into it, slowly you will uh, what you call, slowly you can examine and you can uh, uh, understand what to do next. So better you don't waste time. Whatever the placement you got in the college, uh, please go for it. And I was like, when I was there is a placement, it's related to, I didn't remember that company, but the package was like monthly. I hardly get 9,000. So what I was thinking, after I got completion of this MBA, I might be placed I have done a HR. So I was thinking like directly I was into manager position and I'll get a nice package. So that kind of imaginations will not work. Whatever job you got from the placement, whatever the opportunity you have, please grab it. And even if it is they are hiring for marketing, they are hiring for HR only, they are hiring for finance only, whatever it is, if, whatever you have done your specialization also, that nothing matter. Please go and attend at least, even if you are not I mean interested also, please go and attend. Then think later, once you got that opportunity, and once you have that once you got cracked that interview, then think later. When you attend that interview, so with that you can learn how much you can give, how much subject you have, how you're handling. I mean, I can say everything. The interviewer will see your body language, your communication, whether you can able to speak or not. That's the second point. But you're trying to saying something. It's like they that is good enough actually. So you're not talking anything and like. Not even giving your efforts, it's not good. So I can best thing that keep on trying. It's like expertise, you will be like attending interviews and giving them answers and your behavior, your body language, your listening skills, whatever they said, your listening skills. And the main point, whenever you attend an interview, so best part I can say, the main point is like take a review, reason why I have not selected, what is the reason, the when you know that, so next time you'll make sure that this will not repeat again. So if you ask that question, if you pose that question, no one will um, um, I mean, no one will take it negative. They'll answer it to you. What is the reason? What actually they are looking for, so that at least you have an idea of what reason you have rejected. So please maintain that taking a review, it's a good thing. Knowing about you from other person, it's like always for your betterment only. And next point, I can say attending interviews. It's like irrespective of the package, a position, a company. Please attend each and every interview, because uh, once you attend this interview, so next time what will happen? Your confidence will improve. Your attitude may change. Your communication will improve, and even you always day by day. Uh, uh, I mean, day by day, you'll improvise yourself for looking that this is how they are looking for, but this is the reason, and this is how I have given my interview. So those kind of things you can do it. So I can suggest that, and one thing, this is how.
Yeah,
Also,
Kedareshwari.
yeah,
Yeah,
yes,
Kedareshwari. Yeah. Now you reminded me of all those old days of 2011 and 13. How I used to deal with the students
yeah,
in a very systematic way. But otherwise, the tempo is still maintained over here. Whatever whoever may come from whichever background, whichever area, or whichever college, once they are coming to CMR, and they have to be just like CMR TCN. They cannot be in their own way, because the reason, ultimate reason, why we go in that way is, at the end of the day, the students of CMR TC MBA should be placed. That's all. That is our main aim and our criteria. That was
yes,
our motto also. We Because our main objective is to fulfill our motto. Our motto is think placements. Then you have to think CMR. So that way we are going in. And as you told the students that just don't worry about the type of the company, or otherwise the type of the package, because
yes.
initially if you just get in, the confidence which you get in, or the
Actually,
CBM score.
we all go through. I mean, we all already experienced that,
Yes,
because
you
we
experienced.
already used
People.
every opportunity.
Yeah, people when they come in, to join in such kind of colleges, they have got a wrong notion that I have joined CMR. At the end of the day, I'll be getting a placement. That's all, and that is their headache. We have paid our fees. We have joined MBA, and then at the end of the day, they will be giving us the certificate along with the placement order. So this type of wrong, notion is otherwise being realized once they kind of come into third semester. Because this year they are a little bit late into their academics because of this pandemic. Now these people are not really have realized actually what was the real objective of joining CMR. They are still taking the everything in a lighter mode, whether it may be online classes, or it may be presentations from their side which is going on daily, or otherwise attending these type of sessions like alumni talks. And I don't know how many are just going through that online internships. But all these things will really fetch them, which otherwise if they don't realize now, they're going to be in the back bench, as they were sitting physically. Now in the virtual also they will be in the back, and the moment they get into in front of the placement, obviously they will be in the back, because opportunities are provided in this pandemic. Sitting at home, they need to first of all identify, and then they need to shape up themselves, taking a lot of time. We got plenty of time in this pandemic. Sitting at home, you just utilize this time, and obviously you're going to definitely get into very good jobs once this thing is open. So very good, Kedarishwari. That is what we were keeping on. We are keeping on telling them that to be very alert, and to attend these type of sessions, whether they are whether they are boring, whether they are really interesting. Everywhere you can take some point from everybody. It's not that I've listened to somebody 2 days ago. I'm free today, so let me join today. This is not somebody's cup of tea where you can come and have your tea whenever you want. No, this is where you have to join, where you have to take up the things, where you have to listen what faculty are saying, what faculty are asking you to do, and that is what these alumni did. And these people were also the same way when they were in the college for the first 2 semesters. They were enjoying. They were taking punishments. They were doing just like you. But once they get into third semester, they realized. They realized, and they were realized. Two things happened. One thing is they will realize. If that doesn't happen, then they will be made to realize. And if that also doesn't happen, then time will make them to realize. And a third thing which I told you, time is going to the time is the best thing. And if once we are if you are in the third point, that is time will make them to realize. That may come after a few years, which otherwise you may not be in the race, because by the time your friends will go to the next level, going into different placements. So my best point is, this is the last leg of your education. Strike it hard, strike it in a very smart way, strike it in a hard way, so that opportunities will not be given by anybody. Opportunities to be taken. This is what alumni was telling from the last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks. So this is where the things will move on. And every day, alumni coming and talking to you for 1 hour, you're making you very boring. I know. But what they are telling you is, one important point is that, Niklesh, please mute yourself. Niklesh, I don't want anybody to unmute their audios. Niklesh, I said mute your audio. So this is what the things are going on. And if you don't realize now, I don't think nobody will help you out. So this is where the things will be decided, and alumni are taking their time to come in and explaining, or otherwise remembering their what do you say, memories over here, and what made them to realize later on, and how everything went fine once they got realized. And now slowly they are taking everything into their hands, and company after company they are going very to upwards. Like they are getting promotions, they are getting good packages. I don't think that they will definitely not say that this is not just because of CMR. This was just because of CMR. I can guarantee you, because that 1 year of your second years, ladies and gentlemen, will make you everything. So listen to these alumni, and that is what we thought, Kedarishwari. In the last, once again, I'm going to tell them one point, but before that, I want to give them the room to bring in some queries. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you can go with the queries.
Sir, one few points are left, sir. I just want to share a few points. Before that, I can give a best example, like when I got the opportunity in CMR campus, like I was like, when I see the package, it is very less. But after 1.5 years, I have joined for the same package in the Genpact. So that is how I have wasted my time. So I don't want to I just want to suggest you people, like please go whatever you get. Instead of sitting idle, you're working for something, you're learning something from, even if you if it is not a package point, you'll learn something from the company. From the basic point, they'll train you even from the entries also in Genpact, even from the entries point also, whoever is the trainer is there. So they used to give a training from the starting point. But when you are going to an interview, make sure that you are have a subject. Uh, I mean, basic knowledge about the subject and the company. What is the company is actually whatever I mean. Where when you going to a company, so just have a knowledge about that company. Your communication, learning, whatever they asking, try check whether your communication is reached to them or not. So so that they are very much happy for that. I mean, interview. Like, they'll see everything. You can't say that I have done my PG, I have done my MBA. I'll be like this. Those will not work. So you have to be very much patient about the everything. Keep on tracking when you are crack even for the first level. If there might be at 3 levels or 4 levels. So try to don't post them. I mean, posting them. It's not good. Try to approach HR and ask result and asking. Keep on getting connected with them so that the you'll get for the result. One more thing, I can say, you people, how you get, I mean, online classes. Whenever you're listening to classes, please maintain a book separately. Like whenever you listen that example, whenever whatever picture or whatever imagination comes into your mind, try to write it on your. Those examples will work in your examination. That is very easy. Whenever you listen only, you will get that imagination. Afterwards, when you study, it will not come. That's the reason. And I can say, whoever is second years or first years, that doesn't matter. Try to learn, have a knowledge about the computer, Excel, advanced Excel. In every company, even if it is a marketing, HR, finance, everyone has to use the computer, right? So computer based work only will be there. So please keep a hand on advanced Excel, like learning about macros. Whenever you have leisure time, please go and check if there is any online classes. Once again, I'm telling, these are now we are. I mean, we have even for the next level also. They'll ask. They'll ask you, and only automated work will be done with the use of macros and all, advanced Excel and SAP. SAP modules. It's like whoever want to place with a nice package, irrespective of the level, I can suggest after MBA or before MBA, you please try to check what is SAP related courses are available. So once you whatever certification is done for that SAP, I mean Oracle, I mean a few companies will be there. They are very much um, they are grabbing these people who are is a completion of SAPs, something they have other extra qualities. They are grabbing them with a good package. So guys, please everyone check SAPs and Oracle, those kind of courses. I can say SAP is a good thing. And for finance accounting purpose, they are using SAP modules only in the company. And one more thing I can say, that's it.
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
questions
Yeah,
from
yeah,
students?
Kedareshwari, we
Yeah,
are running short of time, so let
yeah,
us
yeah.
open the room for the queries. Anybody from
Sure, sure.
coming with queries, please?
Sir, roll number 37, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
My question is,
Yeah.
what about opportunities for investment banking when compared to SAP FICO?
Investment banking, for investment banking, it's like you are into, like, I can say whatever company is there. Like
Because
for
ma'am,
example,
today
I was sorry.
everyone going for entrepreneurs, like everyone investing.
Yeah, yeah. You want to know, I mean, investment banking in the MNC company, or you want to do investment?
MSc company, like jobs, ma'am, job
Okay,
opportunities.
jobs.
Yeah, okay.
In a company only, it's like team wise. So, GL team will be there, investment banking team will be there. So separate teams for in finance also separate teams are there. So wherever you fit for that, so they'll definitely take you. If you have a knowledge about the payables, like in invoicing, uh, AR billing will be there, collections. So based on the subject, if you have a good on that, and one more thing, if they have opening for that particular position also, they'll take you.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one more question.
Yeah, yeah.
As you said, if we learn FICO course in SAP,
Yeah.
companies not going to take for freshers.
Sorry?
There are companies not going to take for freshers, ma'am, in SAP course, FICO. So, what about freshers, ma'am?
No, it's not fresher.
No, rule number 37. No, I know whether Kedareshwari, you are into specialization of SAP. Are you specialized in SAP? You're going to recruit anybody with SAP?
Me?
Ah,
No.
yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
it is playing a major role now.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, the
Following
rule number
SAP.
30. Yeah. I know 37. Anywhere you go for such type of organized software backup. Otherwise, such type of programs they definitely discourage freshers coming in. But otherwise, companies will definitely take you in if you got little bit of confidence and experience, little bit of confidence, and where they realize that you can do it. Okay, SAP is something which is absolutely specialized thing, where you need to discuss. That's what other day I told you when one of our alumni was talking from UK. The same thing what he was telling is different. It is quite different from management, and you want to do it, then that can be discussed in other way. Okay.
Hello.
Sir, in our team also, Vikas has done after MBA. He wasted, 1 or 2 years. Later, what he has decided, he has specialized SAP. Now he has placed a nice company in Bangalore. He has,
Exactly.
nice package also. He got. He is a fresher only.
Exactly. No, that is what I told. With a very good training and very good confidence,
Yes.
when you can crack the interview
It's
in such a
completely
way.
like you are into completely IT person.
Yes,
Whenever
exactly.
they have a problem related to SAP, they'll reach you. Whenever if in the company they have finance people and they are not getting some kind of reports in the SAP, so they are have a problem with some T codes. So with the T codes, these people have to create T codes for that statement to run, and that kind of a knowledge, that kind of a depth will be there in the SAP specialization. That is completely separating and a certified course. It is.
Yeah. I can take only one last question, please. Anybody coming in? One
Hello,
last
ma'am.
question.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Shobha, ma'am.
Yeah.
My question is, what was your favorite memory from your time in CMR?
And put it very short, Kedareshwari. If you
Sure.
get it, put it very short because we are running out of time.
When I'm in CMR, the best time is like the college event. They have conducted treasure hunt. No, that time we enjoyed a lot. So that's and we used to we go here and there in the main campus. We used to enjoy there. So that is the best thing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Kedaradishwari, once again, thank you for your time given to this alumni talk. Let me talk to everybody. Yeah, before closing down, let me remind you that from tomorrow, that is from Monday onwards, we don't have these alumni talks daily. We have cut short these alumni talks for 1 day in a week. Our alumni talk for MBA will be on Friday. So for every department, they have given 1 day. So now we will be having alumni talk once in a week. Once in a week, that is Friday only. That is, the timing will be 3 to 4 o'clock. So I request everybody to be present on Friday at 3 to 4 o'clock, where we are going to bring in some more alumni. Next week, we already fixed it. One of the alumni from 2010-13 batch, 10-12 batch coming in, Sanjay Samuel. So he will be, he is already in a good position. He will be coming in next Friday. So that's all, ladies and gentlemen, for today. Thank you very much, Kedarishwari.
Yes.
And we'll
Thank you sir, for this opportunity.
yeah, we'll meet once again.
Yeah.
And we'll have one more important session, and where we are thinking about it to have a very grand session of bringing in all the alumni, whoever are coming onto the session. Thank you, Kedeshwari. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best, guys. Bye, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.